Hey everybody, welcome back to GLR. This week's is just a quick little video, just in a massive nod to all the dads out there. In the UK, it is Father's Day, and I've celebrated today by playing on the Xbox with my little lad, chucking some things around in the garden, and basically just eating crap. It's been great. So, as a little nod to all the fathers out there, whether it be foster, real, step, whoever you are, well done for getting through the fight, because sometimes it's incredibly hard. But remember, you are the person that these little people look up to. Hopefully one day my little son will look up to me and think, he wasn't a bad dad, he was all right. But based on the Father's Day theme, I thought, what greater adventure to place Kotu in than in the role of fatherhood. Have a watch, and I will see you guys later. And there's Kotu doing his little thing with his kids. So there you go. I bet you didn't know he had children. There's a shocker for you, neither did I. Well, thanks for watching. If you did like it, it may have been a quick video, but if you did like it, subscribe. If you enjoyed it, then please smash the like button, leave a comment, get in contact. You guys are awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See you soon.